If you're a creator, you need tools that actually play nice together. Adobe Creative Cloud does that. Here's why it's the secret weapon for pros and hobbyists alike. Think of Creative Cloud as a subscription that hands you industry-standard apps. Photoshop for image magic, Illustrator for vector graphics, Premiere Pro for video editing, After Effects for motion, InDesign for page design, plus mobile apps and more. But it's not just apps. The big win is integration. Your assets live in the cloud, your color palettes live in the cloud, your fonts live in the cloud, so you can start a poster in Illustrator. Drop the art into InDesign, then cut a promo in Premiere without hunting files. Benefits? Speed and consistency. Shared libraries save hours. Templates save hours. Collaboration. Co-editing. Cloud documents. They let teammates work together in real time. Flexibility. Desktop power. Mobile apps. Cloud storage. They let you create anywhere. Updates and resources. Adobe pushes new features regularly. Tutorials. Community templates. They help you keep learning while you create. There's a catch, it's subscription-based. Freelancers, studios, businesses. The workflow gains and time saved often pay for themselves. Bottom line, professional tools, seamless workflow.